So I'm going to teach you how easy it is to use this Barista or Breville Touch Express, I believe it is. Honestly, it's the best way for somebody new like me. I love espressos, so I'll show you how easy it is. Grab whatever this thing is called. That's how much of a coffee connoisseur I am. I don't know what this stuff is.
We tried food.
I want a latte, 17 grind. And then you tamp it. It's got a green line, so that's perfect. You put this in there, turn it. Okay, turn it. We're going to put our coffee cup underneath. Hit the button. And we got a check mark. Sometimes it will say that it's pouring too slowly or pouring too fast, and so you should alter your grinds so that they're more fine or more coarse. Now we're going to take this out, and I bought this little stamper, so you just put it aside. Yes, I know, I'm a Cubs fan. I'll pour that in. Now you fill your milk up to that line, which I already did. I like caramel, so I'm going to add some caramel to mine. I'll do 3 pumps. We put it down. So right here, it's got different settings. Milk, how much froth do you want, and the temperature. I want temperature to be 160. And then all you do is you hit the button. It has a sensor on it that tells you how hot that stainless steel cup is. So you should get the amount of froth you want, the amount of heat you want. It is very idiot proof, and that's what I really wanted in a machine like this. Let that sit there for a second. Now it says to take it out. You always wipe it down, make sure it's nice and clean. You're going to put it back, and it's going to run just a little bit of hot water to clean out the nozzle. And then all you do, pour it in. And no, I don't know how to do any of the prettiness. That's it. That's a latte. Didn't take too long. And you know what? Tastes pretty darn good.
Wrong color. We ordered stainless steel. We noticed that it did smell like coffee, so it's definitely used. I did order new. And then down here, there's tons of rust and mold as well. So this is not only is it not new, it's very, very dirty. See that? Yeah. Interesting. Ew. Ew.